Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your out of office reply here in Gmail. So first you want to locate the settings, then click on see all settings, then you want to scroll down, and at the very bottom you will see this out of office auto reply. So you just want to turn that on by clicking on the second option, and then you want to choose the date over here of when you will be out of the office. So let's say for example that I won't be able to reply to my emails, or I'll be out of the office on August 9. And then let's say that I will be in vacation from August 9 to August 11. So I'm just going to click on the last day option. Well, I'm going to choose August 11 here. Then you just want to go ahead and write your subject, for example, out of office. Or you can also put in vacation. And then you just want to go ahead and write your auto reply message. For example, I am on vacation. I am been able to reply. But of course, you want to make that more professional as well. And then you can also choose to click this option that says only send a response to people in my contacts. So after that, you just want to click on Save Changes, and that's it. Thanks for watching.